So, now see here in this example, a long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. It means the wire is like this long one that will consider infinitely long wire. Now, what is the magnitude of the magnetic field at a point 20 centimeter from the wire? If you want to calculate magnetic field at this point, R is equal to here 20 centimeter. So, we have already derived formula for the magnetic field at a point due to infinitely long straight current carrying conductor, that is B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi R. So, we can write here 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7, that is the value of the mu naught I is 35 divided by 2 pi into R is here 20 centimeter. So, we can write 20 and multiplied by 100 up here, this is Tesla. Now, this we can write, this is here the 5 and this pi will get cancelled, that is the 2 here. So, we will be writing a 5 to the 10 and this 10. So, 35 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Tesla, or we can write 3.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla. So, this is about the magnetic field at a point due to infinitely long straight current carrying conductor.